Okay, let's mow the lawn. Go! Start mowing. Yeah, we got some bubbles! Whoa, look at all the bubbles! Good job. Come on, go back to our lawn. That's the neighbours. You have to mow our lawn. Turn around. Yeah, this way. Get them. Do you want me to make some more bubbles and you can try and squash them? Okay, let's go. Ready? Okay. Come on, Bubbles. Get all the bubbles! Get them! Get them before they land! Squash them all! My turn. Go. Whoa, whoa, so fast.
I'm finished.
You're done? Good job. Got it. Good job.
Can you push out?
Why? This is the bubble solution. We store it there. And when it runs out of bubbles, we put more bubble solution in, but it's not run out. There's plenty in there. Come on, let's go. We don't need any more.
No.
You don't need to. There's bubble solution in there already. Push it and there'll be bubbles. Well, there's a lot of mess coming out. Some bubbles.
Bubbles are gone.
You want to put more solution in then? Okay, fine. Fine. Here we go. Rest of the solution in. Open the gas cap. Pour it in there. It's okay because we have lots of extra solution in the garage. Okay, it's there. Put the gas cap on. It won't go on. There we go. Okay, run. Hey, where are you going? Come back. Come back, Leo. Leo, come back. This is the neighbour's lawn. We can't mow that.
Oh no. A dad just fell down, Daddy.
Someone knocked their fence over. Hey, look, they've got little piles of dirt there.
There's a dirt here.
Yeah.
That's what we can do.
That's made by an animal. I think it's called a gopher. No, don't dirty your shoe. Okay, let's go back and mow our lawn some more. No, this way, to our lawn, not theirs. Whoa! Let's go wash the lawnmower. Let's go wash it. Come on. Let's wash the bubbles off the top. Okay, it's clean. Now go drive some more. Come on, let's go. Let's see if more bubbles come out. Smaller bubbles. Yeah, we can't cross the road. The road's dangerous. We have to stay on our side. No, off the road, off the road. Get off the road. Off the road, Leo. What happened? It's stuck. There. Let's go to the backyard. What are you doing? Are you checking the gas? Come on, to the backyard. Let's go. Crash. There's the old one that doesn't work anymore. What are we going to do with the old one? Should we throw it in the bin?
I made to throw it in the bin.
You want to throw it in the bin now, or do you want to keep it? We can keep it and you can have two. Okay, that's enough. Say bye to the camera.